Introducing the 2022 Peugeot 3008 FL Allure 1.5 Blue HDI 130. This sleek black beauty is not just a van, it's a powerhouse of comfort, style and safety features. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, from ABS to lane departure warning, this vehicle has it all. With a spacious interior, featuring cup holders and a load cover, every journey will be a breeze. And with a range of security features like automatic hazard lights and anti-collision systems, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and manufacturer servicing, you can trust that this vehicle is in top condition. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.